Hi, I'm here for the job interview.
Great, why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself?
My name is Lactobacillus casei, and I'm an anaerobic rod-shaped bacteria.
Okay, and where can we reach you?
You can find me in the mouths and intestines of humans and animals. I know what you're thinking, the intestines can be a pretty harsh environment, but I'm used to it. I have a high tolerance for the acid there. My temperature preference is anywhere between about 80 to 105 degrees Fahrenheit, so it works out. Humans also like to use me for fermenting some of their foods, so I can be found in things such as yogurt, cheese, and fermented milk. They use me because my lactic acid prevents other organisms from growing there, and I also lower the pH level. I can even be found as supplements for humans.
Oh, so you're beneficial to humans.
Oh yeah. According to the World Health Organization, several strains of me are probiotics, which by definition means that I am a live microorganism which when administered in adequate amounts confer a health benefit on my host. It's a pretty big honor where I come from. The community threw me a big parade and everything when we found out. They even gave me this foam finger. Probiotics! But it's no big deal. Helping them just comes naturally. I'm just a positive bacteria, so my presence draws in others, helps other positive bacteria grow, like Lactobacillus acidophilus. The fact that I produce amylase and D-lactic acid helps him out. Basically, I work to maintain a healthy balance of intestinal flora by being antimicrobial, which means I prevent bad bacteria from taking over the neighborhood, mainly by keeping the acidity level high. I also make a toxin that prevents bacteria similar to me from growing, because I don't want things to get too crowded there. A strain of mine called Lactobacillus casei assists in this by fighting over available adhesion areas in the gastrointestinal tract with other pathogens I encounter. This prevents bad bacteria from attaching itself to the wall, which is extremely important in keeping a healthy balance in the immune system of the gut. So yeah, I have to let all those other bacteria know that I run this. Unfortunately, I can only run this for about 10 days until I'm gone, so it's important for humans to consume me on a regular basis. So the benefits that humans reap from my actions are an improvement in their digestion and increased health of their intestines, which helps alleviate the complication of diseases such as Crohn's disease by preventing E. coli from inhabiting the cells of the intestines, and diverticulitis, which is caused by inflammation of the large intestine. I also help reduce constipation and diarrhea, which may not sound that impressive, but trust me, these problems can be extremely uncomfortable for humans. Also, recent human research has shown that drinking my fermented milk can help regulate the immune system.
Okay, well now that I know what you do, why don't you tell me a little bit more about yourself?
Okay, well I'm about 0.7 by 2 to 4 micrometers big. I'm rod-shaped and like to be arranged in chains. I can thrive in environments with or without air, but I prefer those with air because those allow me to be more productive. I get most of my energy by changing glucose into lactic acid, and I have a homo-fermentative metabolism, which means I can only produce one end product.
So, do you have any negative effect on humans whatsoever?
Not that I'm aware of.
Well, do you realize that the name of our organization is Kill a Human?
Yeah, but I was hoping that maybe we could change that to Help a Human. Okay, how about Kill or Help a Human?
Next.
Okay.